Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Studio 4D. Let's come and share this video because it's amazing. Bro, this is my phone, Samsung S9 Plus. And today I want to try to install this ROM because I have a new method for my friend that I want to follow. If you want to install this ROM, you can download the link, the link in the description. You can do it. Okay, don't forget to support our channel with YouTube super things or PayPal, the link in the description. Bro, I don't know if it will working, but I don't know if it will work, but I can try just to see how it's working. This is the ROM that I have right now, number 2.9. Let's try to install the version 2. The version 3.1 that I have put here on my phone. As you can see here, now I have 100% battery. Let's go on TWRP. Okay, nice. This is TWRP. Can you see this? Nice. Okay, turn off your phone and what? And let go. Okay, well done. To access to TWRP, you need to hold. You need to install first. TWRP, if it's good, you should install. Now, hold BSB button, volume up here, and power button at the same time. Okay, 3 buttons. 1 BSB button, volume up, and power button in the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. This is TWRP. What you need to install first. Good. Okay, this is the version that I have now. Version 3.1, 3.7.0.9. Okay, nice. Okay. Now I want just to install this ROM following the instruction of my friend. Okay, you need to go on install. Let's see the ROM that I want to install. Let's open quickly. Welcome. Good. You need to read this first, and if you are ready, you can go. It's compatible for all of these devices. I have Exynos version. I don't know if it's working because I have made the first test, it's not working. Maybe on the next method, the new method right now, it will working. This is change log. What you need to know about this ROM right now. Okay. Now click on next, and this is what you need to choose. In the first installation, I'll choose this clean install. Now my friend says that I need to choose dirty flush. Okay, no problem. Now let's test this dirty flush. I feel like you need to wait. Please wait. Okay, wait with me. As you can see, is in the same position after many minutes. I don't know why. Can you see this? What is happening here? Okay, let's touch the screen and look at what you have here. Okay, I choose control what you want. Okay, let's try advanced deployed. You can choose what you want to install. Everything. Okay. Nice. Nice. Okay. Why not? Good. Show some calendar, everything. Not bad. Next. BSB speaking. Great. Next. Call blocking. Call recorder. Great. Next. Take screenshot. Next. Okay. Nice. No ROM boot animation. Why not? And next. What else? Good. Let us install it right now. Just to see if it will working or not. This is my S9 Plus. You can try the service on S9, S9 Plus, and Note9 also. I don't know if it will working, but I don't know if it will work, but let's try. And I'm not sure, but it will work. And I'm not sure. I'm not sure. What? What is happening here? Can you see what I'm seeing here? How it's possible? Is it a joke? Done everywhere? Seriously? No. This is not normal. Is it a joke? Is it a joke or something, bro? Because this is not more normal. And what? Look at that. Done. Seriously? How is possible, my friend? I'm shocked. I'm shocked, my friend. I'm shocked. Seriously? I don't know what it means, bro. I don't know. But let's try. Let's continue. Okay? Let's continue. Don't forget to like and share this video. You can also support our channel with YouTube, Super Thanks, or PayPal. The link in the description. Can you see this, my friend? Unbelievable. Okay. Click on next. Let's go. Reboot system. Now let's see what we will see after this. What is happening here? No, nothing appear here about my phone. Turn off again and turn off again. Seriously? What is this? No blue light here. And nothing continue. Look at. It's the same problem. It's planted. This thing means that this ROM is not compatible for my phone. I have Exynos version. My friend has S9 Plus and it's this ROM my friend has installed this ROM normally with his phone. Maybe his phone is Snapdragon version because this is S9 version. My phone of my friend is S9, but this is S9 Plus. I don't know if it will work on your phone, but look at that. I don't know how to do wrong. Wow, bro. Why? Why? It's not working again. Damn. Now I want to try to reinstall the previous version because this version not working. I want to hold this B button, volume up, and power button when the black screen comes. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Hold PC button, volume up, and power button at the same time to what? Let's do it. What? What is happening here? Let's try again. PC button, volume up. Okay, good. It's back to the therapy. No problem, bro. I've seen this new method not working definitely. This is not a joke. Okay, no problem. I want to click on install and install the previous version 2.9, just to come back to my phone to install this. No problem, because we don't know version not working. To install. Nice, no problem. Next. Not deployed. All of this link in the description for you. Call blocking, call recorder. This is what I want. The screenshot. This is good. No blue ROM boot animation. This is better. And let's install a previous version because the brand new version not working. It's not working, bro. Damn. Bro, this is how this ROM look like in the phone of my friend. You can see Android 13 1E 5.0, but it's not working with my phone. As you can see, this is what I'm talking about. The phone of my phone is S9 and it's working with him. Look at the process continue here for a previous version. No blue on 2.9. Okay, wait for 100%. Nice. Great. As you can see, it's also done. Click on next. Reboot system. And wait for installation of this one. Normally you will see a blue light here. When it's compatible with your phone. And we see what we expected. Welcome to your new phone, your beautiful ROM. from Note ROM. Okay, look at the previous ROM 5.108 5.1, but it's not working with not my phone bro. 113. Look at how it look like. Wow, but it's not working here bro. Okay, no problem. Now I can restart the preview version and enjoy my phone bro. Enjoy my phone. United States, where are you? Beautiful. Let's go. Look at that. This is screen burning. Look at how it's so bad. I don't know why Samsung is like that. Look at this one. This one is 2018 phone, but it look good. Why? Why? Getting your phone ready. Okay, no problem. What is this? Okay, you all set up. Good. Finish. Now I'm back to the preview version. As you can see, it's new. Settings, buffer, sort of mission, 184.1, 112. Not bad. Cool. Bro, this is what you need to do when the brand new ROM not working. January 1st, 2023 on the security patch level. Nice. Developer option enable. Developer options also. And where is USB debugging? Okay, here. Make this on. Okay, when you want to install application from your PC. This is important to do. Nice. Great settings. Nice. Display. This is my own setting. Okay. Nice. Screen timeout. 5 minutes. Good. Navigation bar. Swipe of gestures. More sensibilities. Better. Okay, good. Now it's good. This is my phone, and now we are back to a preview version because this one not working. Sorry.